Miss the comet on September 27th? No worries, here's your second chance. After an astounding 880,000 years, Comet C 2023 A3 Tsuchinshan Atlas is making its grand return to light up our skies. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. With its brilliant tail and stunning visibility, it's truly a sight to behold. Join me as we uncover the best times to witness this celestial wonder starting October 12th, along with expert tips to ensure you catch this once-in-a-lifetime event. On September 27th, Comet C 2023 A3 soared to its closest encounter with the Sun, and now it's making a spectacular return towards Earth. According to NASA's Gordon Johnston, this comet could be one of the most breathtaking celestial displays we've witnessed in years, potentially visible to the naked eye as it graces our skies in the twilight glow after its close approach on October 12th. Want to see this amazing comet for yourself? Look for the waning crescent moon. It will help you find it. The comet will move around in the sky over the next few days, but the moon will show you where to look. Just after sunset, turn your eyes west and you'll spot the comet shining brightly to the left of the sun. Positioned low on the horizon, the comet will require a clear view, so find a spot with an unobstructed line of sight. If the first night doesn't go as planned, don't worry. There will be more chances in the days to come. Just keep in mind that the comet will gradually fade as it ventures further into interstellar space. Don't forget that Comet C 2023 A3 is currently about 117.1 million miles from Earth, racing towards us at an astonishing speed of 70 kilometers per second, or 150,000 miles per hour. However, be aware that this long-period comet can be unpredictable, adding an exciting twist to its approach. This comet has an incredible orbital period of about 880,000 years. As it approaches the Sun, we can expect changes in its brightness and tail development. If predictions are correct, it may soon be visible to the naked eye, appearing as a fuzzy star with a tail stretching across the sky. For a closer look at its fascinating structure and tail, binoculars or a small telescope will enhance the experience. Thank you for watching. If you want to stay updated on the latest discoveries, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.